we are going to apply the same rules than before. We have to multiply the binomials. So first, this is equal to x squared times x squared plus 5 and negative 3 times x squared plus 5. This is equal x squared times x squared is x with exponent 4 plus x squared times 5, 5x squared, negative 3x squared, and negative 3 with positive is negative 15. So your final answer is going to be the solution of both. Okay, so you have to operate x4, x4. Positive 5 and negative 3 is positive 2, x squared, minus 15. Don't forget. So now we are going to apply the formula. X squared times x squared is x4. Negative 3 and positive 5 is positive 2. X with the exponent square with the same. Negative and positive is negative 3 times 5, 15. If you see, the solution here is the same than here. We have both solutions. Okay. Now let's work the next example. Here we have a very special situation. Here again, x squared we have to multiply with x squared plus 2 and negative 2 times x squared plus 2. So this is equal, x squared with x squared is x4. X squared plus 2 is plus 2x squared. Negative 2x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative and positive is negative 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have to operate both solutions here. So we have x4 by itself. Positive 2 and negative 2 is 0. You don't need to write both of them. You just cancel. You have negative 4. We apply the formula. X squared times x squared is x with exponent 4. Negative 2 and positive 2 is 0. You don't need to write anything. But negative 2 and positive 2 times is negative 2 times 2 is 4. So the final answer should be the same answer that we got here and also here. Both of them are the same solution. This case is very special because you have positive and negatives. Also x squared, and 2 and 2. So here you have, if you observe very carefully, we have a new rule here. Okay, when you have this kind of situation, your answer should has just two terms. X squared times x squared is x4, 2 times 2 is 4. Negative and positive should be negative all the time here. Okay, so you just apply this rule when you have negative and positive or positive and negative. But if you have both negative and both positives, the answer should be a trinomial. Here the answer is a binomial, it just has two terms. But why? Because you have a negative and positive, or you have a positive and negative symbol. Here we have the same case, positive and negative, a with exponent 3 and number 3. So we are gonna process here a cubed times a cubed minus 3 and 3 times a cube minus 3. So your partial answers are going to be a6 minus 3a cubed, and here 3a cubed minus 3 times 3 is 9. So your final solution is gonna be a with exponent 6, negative 3 and positive 3 when you don't have a symbol is 0. You just get negative 9. So we're going to apply the rule here. A cubed times a cubed, a6, because you have to add. And negative 3 and positive 3 is 0. You don't need to write. Plus times negative is negative. 3 times 3 is 9. So your answer is a with exponent 6 minus 9. And here is as well. Both are right. We apply the same rule. Let's work the next example. Next example here. Here is different than before. totally different. So we cannot apply the rule because you don't have the same term. So you have to just multiply. Negative 3x squared, this first element, with the whole expression, with negative 5 x squared minus 3. And the second is plus 1. Plus 1 is easy. You just multiply. When you multiply, you get the same answer. Now we are going to operate this here. Okay. So the answer is going to be equal to, I have to find out the solutions. Negative 3 and negative is positive. 15. X squared is x4. Negative and negative is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. X squared. And here, 1 times any expression, you are going to get the same. X squared minus 3. Remember, number 1, when you multiply with 1, you get the same answer. Okay? That's the rule. Now we have to apply similar terms. 15x with exponent 4, you just write down 15x with exponent 4. Exponent 3 you don't have. You go to exponent 2, x squared. 9 minus 5 is positive 4, x squared, and minus 3. That's your final solution, your final answer. So we're going to check. Negative 3x squared, we have to multiply the first expression with the whole term. Negative 5x squared minus 3. And the second is plus 1 with the whole term again. Okay? So negative and negative is positive. 3 times 5, 15. X squared times x squared is x4. Negative and negative is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. X squared by itself is x squared. And here, positive 1 times any expression, you have to copy the same. Here the same. 15x4 plus 9x, you just write 15x4. 9 minus 5 is positive 4x squared minus 3. This is the final answer, this trinomial. Finally, we have this situation. Here. We have to multiply negative 6 m cubed times negative 2 m squared plus 2. And the next is plus 1. When it's plus 1, you know that you just copy the same when you multiply. So we're going to get the partial solutions, okay? Here I'm going to copy. We're going to work here. All right. Negative and negative times negative is positive. 6 times 2 is 12. M cubed m squared is m5. Negative and positive is negative. 6 times 2 is 12 m cubed. Here, positive and negative is negative. 1 times 2 is 2 m squared. Positive and positive is positive. 1 times 2 is 2. You just copy the same expression. Now we have to operate both of them similar terms. So the answer is 12m with the exponent 5. Negative 12 and negative 2. But remember, you have m cubed. You don't have m cubed. You just copy negative 12 m cubed and negative 2 m squared. And finally, plus 2. So your answer has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Your answer is a polynomial. So we're going to review. The first term is negative 6m cubed. You have to multiply with the full expression, with this second polynomial. Again, plus 1, you have to multiply with the full same expression. Okay? So negative and negative times is positive. 6 times 2 is 12. M cubed m squared is m5. Negative and positive is negative. 6 times 2 is 12 m cubed. Here, any number multiplied with 1 is the same. So you just copy the same. Look, it's the same. 15 m cubed, m with exponent 5 is here. 12, negative 12 with exponent m with exponent 3 is here. Negative 2m squared is here. And plus 2 also, don't forget plus 2 is very important. at the end. All right? Okay.